Yo, check it out. It is your boy Kenyon Long, and this is Short Form Tech, where I teach you tips and tricks to increase your footprint on social media in short form video. So if you know like I know, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That's TikTok, Instagram Reels, that's Snapchat, Instagram story, of course, Facebook story, who cares? All right, so getting in right now, what's taking over TikTok is a dope effect, man. Let's talk about the effects. We're talking about the anime effect. Yeah, and I'm a huge fan of anime. Everybody knows right here, perfect example, Dragon Ball Z. You know what I'm saying? One of my favorite anime, Goku right here, man. So of course, I gotta be anime. There's some black anime out there. There's some black anime characters out there. So I had to jump on this, man. So all you have to do is this effect. It's not in TikTok, man. Yeah, straight up, it's not in TikTok. Y'all out here capping. It ain't even in TikTok. This effect is in Snapchat. And if you just want to do it real quick, hey, I got you. Go ahead, jump into Snapchat. As you see here, okay, don't mind that picture of me as a girl. All right, slide over here, and this is what the effect looks like. And look, we got a black anime character. Where's Goku at? All right, I'm here to help Gohan. Go Tink, go to bed. All right, so there I am right there. Simple and easy. Record that in Snapchat. Download it, of course, to your phone, and then upload that to TikTok. Yes, you think TikTok would update and add this effect, but they're not doing it. So this is the anime effect. So you want to animate today yourself and your new videos, man, go ahead and download Snapchat. This is why you don't delete the apps. This is why right here, all right? You still need these apps, okay? So I always post my TikToks to my Snapchat as well, wherever I am in the world, and I'm getting more fans every day, and I tell them go follow me on TikTok. So make sure you do that as a bonus tip there. Make sure you go ahead wherever you are, post your TikToks to Snapchat, and you get more fans, man. It's your boy Kenyon Long.